Okay, so welcome everyone to the class. Today we will discuss about lens formula, that we will derive the lens formula 1 by v minus 1 by u equals to 1 by f, not from thin lens formula, not from lens maker's formula, but from the usual one that we have derived in the mirror one, that we will derive today. Just have a look. Suppose this is the optical center of the convex lens. This is f1. This is 2f1, this is f2, this is 2f2. Okay, I am keeping the object here. The one incident ray parallel to the principal axis will go through the focus. The another I am taking through the optical center. So this will be the image formed. I can also take the one ray if you want, that is through the focus, and it will go parallel to the principal axis and intersect at this point. This is A, this is B, this is A dash, this is B dash, okay, and this is M, this point is N. So this is the required diagram that we have got. We will derive from this ray diagram, not from the lens maker's formula. A very easy process it is. Have a look. Okay, we should mark the distance also. This should be u. This should be the focus, principal focus, and this should be the image distance. This should be the image distance. Now, what we should do? Have a look. Which triangles should we keep and which triangles should not? Which triangles should we take? Okay. Which triangles should we take? Have a look. Which triangles should we take? Okay, we can take this triangle. Have a look. Triangle ABO and triangle ABO and triangle A dash B dash O. Have a look. Triangle ABO, this one triangle, and triangle A dash B dash O. These two are vertically opposite angle. This is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. So both are similar. I am writing it here. ABO is similar to triangle A dash B dash O by AA criteria. Okay, what happens when the triangle is similar? The sides of the ratio is equal. So I am writing it here. AB upon A dash B dash is equals to OA upon OA dash. This is equation 1. AB upon A dash B dash is equals to OA upon OA dash. Okay, got it? Now which triangle should be taken? I am taking this triangle. Have a look. Triangle MOF. This triangle MOF and triangle A dash B dash F2. Sorry, A dash MOF2. Triangle MOF2 and A dash B dash F2. Again, these are vertically opposite angles. Have a look. This is 90. This is again 90. So both should be similar by the same criteria to triangle A dash B dash F2. Similarity by AA criteria. Again, these two are similar. Then what should happen? The sides, the ratio of the sides should be equal. I am writing now. MO upon A dash B dash is equals to MO upon A dash B dash is equals to OF2 upon A dash F2. OF2 upon A dash F2. Okay, what is MO equals to? MO can be equals to AB. Have a look. MO can be equals to AB. So it can be written as AB upon A dash B dash is equals to OF2 upon A dash F2. This is equation 2. The first triangle that we have taken ABO, A dash B dash O. The second that we have taken MOF2 and A dash B dash F2. Both the triangles are similar. Now see the equation 1 and 2. If we see the LHS of the equations are same, so the RHS must be also same. So by comparing equation 1 and 2, what we can write? Have a look. Comparing equation 1 and 2, what do we get? Tell me. Yes, OA upon OA dash is equals to, this was the right hand side of the first equation. Coming to the right hand side of the second equation, OF2 by A dash, right? This was the equation. Okay, we know the value of OA, we know the value of OA dash, we know the value of OF2. We do not know the value of A dash F2. So A dash F2 can be written as A dash F2 can be written as OA dash minus OF2, right? OA dash minus OF2 can be A dash F2. Done? Now by sign convention, because we will have to use the sign convention, what should be the value of A? Minus U, yes. OA dash plus V. Sorry. OA dash plus V. OF2 plus F, focal length. Okay, we have the OA dash, OF2 both. Now we should put these values in the sign convention. What we will get? I am putting it now. Minus U by, okay, OA dash is here, plus V is equals to OF2 F upon OA dash V minus F, right? OA dash V OF2 F. Okay, upon doing the cross multiplication, what we will get? Minus UV plus UF is equals to VF, right? Minus UV plus UF is equals to VF. Arranging this equation, UF minus VF is equals to UV. What I have done, I have kept this term this and put this term on that side. UF minus VF is equals to UV. Now dividing both sides by UVF. Dividing both sides by UVF. What you will get here? Let's have a look. One by V minus 1 by U is equals to 1 by F. So this is the required lens formula. This we have also derived from Lensmaker's formula, but this is from the similarity of the triangles by the ray diagram. You can also go through it. If it comes in 2 marks, you can also do it by this also. 1 by V minus 1 by U equals to 1 by F, the lens formula.